What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Blue Bar's Garage. Today we have a new part that we're going to be installing on the 2023 Honda Civic Sport Touring. So let's take a look to see what we got. So what we got today is in this small little box. So let's go ahead and take a look to see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Looks like we got a shark fin cover for our shark fin antenna. And it is gloss black. Comes with some fake 3M double-sided tape. Good thing we have the actual real 3M double-sided tape that we're going to be using, not this junk. That's about it. So it should be a quick, easy install. Add 3M tape on the inside here. Basically just put it on top of our existing shark fin antenna. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Let's go ahead and peel off that plastic. Here you go. It's a gloss black. Looks pretty good. Feels pretty sturdy, doesn't seem very cheap. And I think that's gonna just be a nice contrast to the car up top, especially because we do have the rack on top. I just wanted to accent the antenna so it could pop as well on the roof. Since the antenna is the same color as the rest of the car, this is gonna make it stand out a little bit more. Let's go ahead and take a closer look and dry fit to see if it's gonna actually work. So let's do that. Here's our existing antenna. As you can see, it is the same color as the car. It blends into the top, so let's go ahead and put this over and see if it matches up pretty well. Wow, that's actually really nice. It hugs the antenna pretty well, and I think that's a pretty nice contrast. What do you guys think? It is a little bit more gloss black than the rest of the top, but I think it looks great. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a strip of 3M tape just right in the inside right there. Let's go ahead and add this 3M double-sided tape. So here is our true 3M double-sided tape. I believe it is a 1/4 inch thick. Add a piece of that right on the inside there, as I said. Okay, so that's what the inside looks like. Should be good to go. So we'll go ahead and peel back the protective layer there, and then we'll pop it on top. And this is a product that I got off of eBay, so I'll make sure to add the link in the description for you. Now let's go back over there and install our shark fin antenna cover. Should be pretty simple. We're just gonna lay it over the existing antenna, just like that, and apply pressure to the top where we put that tape. And there we go. It's not moving or anything like that. It's in place, nice and snug. Really, really easy modification to your car. Okay guys, well that's a wrap. It was a really quick install, took about 5 minutes of my time. And again, you can find this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Let me know what you guys think about it. Is it cool? Is it not cool? Would you rather wrap the fin? Would you rather paint the fin yourself? Let me know what you guys think. And as always, if you haven't liked, please do so. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps us grow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you then, or we'll see you next time.